we go. Hello and welcome to the fair. We are back together to the fair after 2 whole years, which is kind of crazy. Too many, I know. But I've been not great at vlogging because it's like so crowded right now. And I'm also just not good at it in general. But welcome to our video. That's all. I bought scone mix today already. And probably gonna buy more scone mix.
I need a hat.
I know, we gotta get you a hat. So, I think today's gonna be the day that Damien gets his hat. So stay tuned for the hat. This is so bad. Hello, look what I got. I don't actually know if you can see it because it looks already like what I'm wearing. Please, thank you. It's so nice. It's so nice. It's so cute. I'm so happy right now, if you can't tell. This is so lovely. It's so gorgeous. It's like a slightly different pattern in the center than the sides. But look at that. Okay, that's all. Look at him. Look how handsome. Look at that hat. Look at that feather plume. Is he not the most handsome? Are you elf pirates person? Royalty?
Something.
So we bought a jar of pepper.
It looks so good. It looks so good. Hello. Welcome back. We dropped our stuff off to the car and now we are waiting in line for adult beverages.
Dropped stuff off and then immediately bought more.
I know. I got gauges for the first time and then Damien got a map. Another map. So there's an exciting day. And now we're gonna try some peach tea, but alcoholic. If you're over the age of 21, Queen's Royal Nectar, apparently the way to go. It's really good. Yeah, it's like a peach tea with booze. In the little living room. I really want one. I don't know, there's, oh my god, it changes colors. Look at them. I want one so bad. I love them. I think we should find out. They're so cool. Oh, they're so cool. This is like my favorite place. Woo! This is nice. I could never. Just the amount of arm strength that takes. I know. So here we are, back for another afternoon snack. I can see this is trying to focus. Yeah, it's super hot, very sweaty, but trying to stay hydrated with drinks and limited water. Yeah. I don't know what else. Wanna come say hi?
Hi, vlog. Or friends. Hello. Nice to meet you.
You too.
You look beautiful, by the way.
Thank you. Well, there you have it. Hello, so I'm back home and sorry for being backlit, of course. I don't really know where to film right now because we're painting the house, but I just wanted to show you guys what I got before I log off because I didn't do a great job of talking about it. So, but one of the things I got is this teacup holster and it is a set. So this is from Steampunk Emporium. and it has like a vintage tea set in it. I saw the tea set and I loved it. I wasn't a huge fan of the trim, and I asked if I could swap out the tea sets and they said no because they're like molded in, which made me a little sad, but like this is so gorgeous. And it comes with a spoon and a little tongue, and then a little one-person loose leaf strainer, and it's shaped as a teacup, which makes this the second one-cup strainer I have that's a teacup. But it's so awesome. As you know, I am an Alice in Wonderland fanatic, so suits me well. There's my little pouch I got last weekend. I think you guys saw this. This attaches right to my belt. My phone fits in, my cards fit in, my money fits in. It's honestly, I should have gotten one so much sooner. It's just, you know, black leather little thing on the back too. So if you see these, such a good investment. This one was like really, really cheap too. Like it was a really good price. I was surprised. The other thing I got are the Zutsu Pants. So I got these last weekend in black, and I went back for them and I got them in gray because these are some of the most comfortable pants I've worn. They're men's pants, so of course they have like really deep pockets. It's like a gray and black, really thinly striped, and then they have a grommet detailing up the leg. And they're drawstring pants. They're so, so comfortable. They're made out of linen. I love the pair I got, and I like really wanted to get a second pair. The other thing I got, some Lavender Scone mix. This I got for my mom because her birthday's coming up, and she really likes scones and she really likes lavender, so I thought this would be something fun for her to do. She loves scones and tea. And speaking of tea, the last thing I got is a tea set. These are absolutely gorgeous. I saw these and was just so in love with them. I'm so scared to hold this up, but it's packaged in there in cardboard. There's a little tea kettle. It's really gorgeous. It's black, blue, and then a little bit of kind of a goldish color on the rim. The top for the tea kettle is bubble wrapped. And my favorite part about this, these were really well priced, is that there's little fish in the bottom. There's just little three-dimensional fish at the bottom of the tea set. And I love my fish, and I just thought that was really cool that there's little koi fish in them. Just was gifted my grandma's china cabinet a couple weekends ago, and I want to fill it up with like beautiful stuff. I got some of her china, which I'm really thankful for, but there's still so much space in it, so I just want to make it my own and get my own pieces. And this is my first full set of my own that I've bought with my own money, and it has a little fish in it, and I got it from the Renaissance Fair going with one of my best friends, so it's really wonderful. And of course, the last thing I got is something I've been wanting for years and years, and it is this corset, which you probably can't see because it's backlit, but it's black and red like most of my closet is. There's two things of grommets here and here. The center pattern's a little bit different than the side one. It's reversible and there's steel boning in it. They had a hard time fitting me because, will I get demonetized for saying this? Well, they just had a hard time fitting me because I am like between sizes, so there's a little bit of room here because sadly, but that just means I need to buy something with puffy sleeves to cover it up. This is the most I've ever spent at the fair in one day, which is pretty crazy, but I also got some really good news yesterday and I just wanted to celebrate, and I guess this is my way of celebrating, as being like, yeah, I'm gonna get the stuff that I've been wanting for a few years. I deserve it, we're celebrating. So, I don't know if people celebrate differently. Most people probably just get a cake. But I got really good news and I just wanted to have fun, do something that makes me happy, and get pieces that I can incorporate into my fair wardrobe and even my alternative wardrobe too. Oh my god, wait, I got one more thing, sorry. So the last thing that I got, I'm so sorry, I forgot about this, is I got myself a starter pair of gauges. I want to get my ears pierced, so there's two down here, so gauges and then regular ones, but just like maybe size 0 gauges, like very, very small. And these guys are made out of bone. They are ethically sourced and sustainable. That's the word I'm looking for. And they're kind of like square shaped, like little swirls. So they're very, very, very small because I don't think I want to go that big. But yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for watching me today and for watching Damien today. Speaking of, all of his social media links will be in the description box. Damien is seriously one of my favorite people in the universe, so please go check him out, go give him some love, because he absolutely deserves it. He's wonderful, he has like really cool outfits, and like, he's just a cool dude all around, and he's just wonderful and kind. So definitely go check him out. And if you like this video, feel free to support me further by leaving me a like or comment or subscribing. This feels weird. Anyways, I'll see you in a couple Fridays. Thank you.